My name is Dan Kennedy. I am the Tool Management Coordinator with Walter Tool Management Services here at Apollo Machine. Today we're at Apollo Machine and Welding in Edmonton, Alberta, where we have our Lighthouse project as a Tool Management Services expanded offer in the tool crib that they have built for us to work out of. Here at Apollo, we have implemented Tool Management Services as part of an expanded offer for supplying built tool kits to the shop floor. Part of this journey has involved digitizing an entire inventory and centralizing it in a central tool crib that was supplied for us.
My name's Brian Jackson. I'm the VP here at Apollo Machine. Apollo manufactures oil-filled components mostly, or more difficult to machine and complex components for the different markets. So I think the things that prompted us to get Walter in here was mostly to help with our setups. We found our setups were taking an extremely long time and we were scrapping a lot of parts.
I'm Pete Westlake, I'm project engineer here at Apollo. Before Walter started the TDM system here, biggest challenges were we didn't have enough tools and the guys would spend a lot of time looking for tools, sharing tools, looking for holders, didn't have what they needed when they needed it. Basically it costs a lot of time. You could have an operator who's walking around the shop for maybe 15 minutes just looking for one tool and one holder to set up.
Apollo's been a long-term customer of Walter's for over the last decade and has been involved with tool management services since 2015. We started with a simple vending machine and vendor-managed inventory that was installed in 2015 with our equipment. And from there, we have expanded to improve upon the services that we can offer to Apollo. In daily business, we take care of multiple facets of the inventory and supply for Apollo. So we're directly involved in the logistics and purchasing. We take care of buying all of the consumables that need to be used on the CNC machines for cutting metal. We maintain quality control on all items. We assemble those items to our specification. We measure those items using equipment provided by Apollo in the Omega presetting machines. And then we supply all of the data for those cutting tools out in a package to the shop floor to be used on the CNC equipment to eliminate the need for machinists and machine operators to handle these tasks themselves.
Yes, when they build a set of tools for a job, the Walter people here, they would actually bring a cart full of tools out to the machine. So from the operator's perspective, they don't have to walk to the vending machines or to the tool crib or to racks to find the tools. So they can just get on with the job that they've got to do. And there's a lot less wasted time there.
In April of 2022, we started the evaluation process, and that was going through the shop floor and evaluating what they do, how they do it, where it is, what it needs to be, and designing a system around their needs that would be the least disruptive to implement when it came time. The main focus of this room is to complement Apollo's processes, not to disrupt Apollo's processes. We want to slide into an existing way of work without causing any friction. The primary and immediate benefit that is realized by Apollo is increased spindle utilization. They can now react far faster to customer demands, and they can respond and deliver quicker because they have increased capacity in their facility.
As far as our customers go, it's going to make it so our on-time delivery is better and we have less non-conformances.
There's a reduction in the number of NCRs, non-conforming parts, and also if the efficiency on the machine is better, the lead time for delivery would be better as well. So you get better lead time, better quality, better parts, faster.
Tool management likes to approach these projects as partnerships. And in this case, we have investment as well as Apollo into the creation of this tool room because we are invested in their success. To anybody who would want to do similar, I would be approaching it in the same fashion.
Well, I think if someone approached me, I would tell them that it's a long process, but in the long run, it's definitely worth it. And you know, it's been a real eye-opener for sure.